Create Computer Learning Zone na one of the creative learning zone and the #1 create tutorial channel for all Wisralina brothers and sisters. Today, my name na Umar Hassan. Inside today's lesson, we get for come use Wordpad application. As I've been talking na the introduction, say this na one creative learning zone. Today, I get for can teach you one very interesting topic where most of the computer tutors then think say you no go able to teach them particular topic then inside Wordpad. The topic we I get for talk about now how you dey draw table or make table inside Wordpad. I know say you go dey doubt how because Wordpad no get any command wey they use for draw table or for make table. While other users of computer go say this na waste of time. At the end of this lesson, you go tell me thank because you get urgent document for make with table where you no go able for use your Microsoft Office application because you not install by your machine. How you go able format that document? Now, we can start. We start by opening Microsoft Word where we open Wordpad. As for me, Wordpad already there na the tax bar. But if you don't know the tax bar, how you go able to open them? The first thing you go click on the search button where they close to the start button and enter the phrase Wordpad. As you begin to enter Wordpad, you see the application go appear na the list. You go simply click on them, then the application go open. Or if you're not able to do that, you go hold the Windows key and press the R button on the keyboard and you enter the phrase Wordpad inside the open dialog box and press the enter key. Now it open. Wordpad na an application software where we can use for format text with different style, font size, font color, and we can also use them for make we be able to enter table, for make we go draw shape, for make we go insert picture. But one of the interesting one today, like what I say, I get for talk about now how you be able to draw table using Wordpad. As we already see from the ribbon, we only get two tabs, we are the home tab and the view tab. And the two tabs they don't get any command way you use for draw table. Now, I can teach how we go able to draw table using Wordpad. Now, a very simple way we go able to draw table using Wordpad. You go to doubt how we go able to create table. But let me start. The first thing we get for know if we want to draw table with Wordpad na that we get for deal with two signs then we can use for draw table inside Wordpad. One of the sign are the plus sign. The plus sign na one way we can use for draw table. The plus sign there for make you be able for make the line where they go down where na the vertical line of the table. The other one are the minus sign. The minus sign are one way we they use for make the line across the table what they call the rule. How would they able use that? We start first with the plus sign, you enter the plus sign, and you enter the minus sign continuously. The distance between one plus sign and the other, they give you the distance of the rule between one of the columns then where you draw. Then you enter again another plus sign, you press again the minus sign continuously, you enter the plus sign, you press the minus sign continuously and enter the plus sign. For now, I get up to how many plus sign? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first plus sign now one way they draw the vertical line at the beginning of the table. The last plus sign now one way they draw the line to now the ending of the table where na the vertical line. The two middle plus line now the two middle vertical lines we get for there between the table. Now at the ending of the last plus sign, you just get for press the enter key on the keyboard. Wow, this now it's very simple way we go use for draw table inside Wordpad. how we go multiply the table. You dey press the tab key continuously as e dey reach na the last column, e dey make the table. Or you click na the ending of the last table and press the enter key. This na the way this way we dey use for draw table inside Wordpad. This na a very short and brief note wey I don prepare, and this na a creative way in case your machine no get Microsoft Office installed and you want for make document, and that document dey e get table. How you go able for draw that table and na urgent information wey you need for share with other people. This na the very simple and creative way wey you dey make table inside Wordpad. So anybody wey you get anything for draw table inside Wordpad, you go use these two sign, the plus sign and the minus sign. The plus sign na one way they represent the vertical line of the table, while the minus sign they represent the one way na the horizontal line na the table. The number of plus line between the minus line, they represent the number of columns where you go draw. So it left to you where they use the application and know how many columns you need. Of course, the row you go able for multiplier, but the columns you not go able for multiplier. You can also adjust the column by way you point the arrow on the vertical line until the mouse pointer gets two double arrows. You press the left mouse button continuously and drag them to the side which I want for drag them. Okay, so now so we go able for adjust the row and column inside Wordpad, and now so we able for create the rows and column where in a table inside Wordpad. Now so I go left una na so, and I go hope for see una again na the next lesson. But una not forget to, as una dey go, una subscribe to my YouTube channel where na Umar Hassan, and you go like, share and comment. But if you get any other topic where you want for understand, now for contact me on 079 404316 or 031 098 412.